How to draw Sailor Moon and why she is the most powerful anime character. In the anime universe, there are many strong and powerful girls, but none compared to the legendary Sailor Moon. Sailor Moon, whose real name is Usagi Tsukino, is the leader of the Sailor Scouts, a group of magical warriors who fight for love and justice. Sailor Moon possesses a great deal of abilities, but her most prominent power is the Silver Moon, which allows her to perform devastating attacks and protect the Earth from powerful enemies. Additionally, she has the ability to heal wounds and restore peace and harmony in the world. Throughout the series, Sailor Moon has defeated numerous enemies, from small villains to cosmic beings. She has even faced chaos itself, the final enemy of the series, and emerged victorious thanks to her determination, courage, and love for her friends and her planet. But Sailor Moon is not just powerful in combat. She also has great emotional intelligence and is capable of inspiring others to keep going even in the darkest moments. She is a natural leader and a true heroine, always willing to do what is right no matter the cost. In summary, Sailor Moon is the most powerful girl in anime due to her ability to fight and protect others, her great amount of magical abilities, her emotional intelligence, and her inspiring personality. She is a true icon of anime and a figure that will continue to be admired and loved for generations to come.